In this video, I'll show you how to set a custom photo as your watch face on the Xiaomi Smart Band 10. All you have to do is launch the Mi Fitness app on your device and select devices, and then from here select manage band displays. Now within the band settings, tap on all and then scroll down and find the custom category, select it and choose the photo watch face that you'd like to use to set a custom photo for. So let's say for instance this particular one, tap on it and then tap on apply to apply it first on your Xiaomi Smart Band 10. Now once it's applied, all you have to do is tap on edit at the bottom left and then scroll down and find the option add photo, tap on it and then tap on the plus icon and choose the method that you'd like to use to select that particular custom photo from. So I'll just select gallery, tap on once, and then from here find that particular photo you'd like to use. So let's say for instance this one. So just select it and then tap on OK at the bottom right corner. Now once it's added, you can tap on the photo and then now you can zoom in or zoom out and customize it to suit your needs. So let's say that way. And then once you're done, tap on save at the top right corner and that will be saved. Now once you've made all your changes, simply tap on the back arrow at the top left, go back, and then now once you've added your photo, you can also customize a few things. If you like to change the different background, you can choose that. If you like to change the style or the color, you can choose that. Now once you've done everything, all you have to do is tap on apply and then give it a few seconds, and that should apply the custom photo as your watch face on your Xiaomi Smart Band 10. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next one.